If you are a digital artist and use Procreate to draw your illustrations, like me, maybe you also appreciate a lot artists on some Instagram accounts and you definitely met the food illustration. Besides being beautiful to look at, they are successful on Instagram and create a beautiful portfolio. Today I'm going to unlock the challenge of drawing food and drinks using these reference styles. You can draw with me, also you can download it at the bio link. But if you want to understand your style, this is another chance to find yourself. And if you are already a master of digital arts, maybe this video is not for you. But if you are open to learn different styles, welcome to my channel where I share my entire digital process with you. My name is Tati and I am a designer and tattoo artist. To start drawing, I choose the size of 3700 by 3000 pixels, and to help with the process, I will configure the screen in settings and turn on the drawing guide button. It will make me have a better base of where to place all the objects. For the sketch, I'm using a 6B pencil. It's not a secret, I'm just looking at my reference on the side of the screen and try to draw as similar as possible. The second step is to start filling in the background on the image as the floor and walls. After split it into layers, I also fill in the objects with their colors. I am using the studio brush. Anytime, you can also slow down the speed of the video to draw with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you are missing a lot of contents totally free, like this one where I'm drawing the sea, and you know that many artists no longer show the whole process for free anymore, so I'm going to let you some videos on the final cards. Starting the shadows on the table, I'm using the soft blend, medium brush, and are available in Procreate. These brushes are very sensitive to pen pressure, so I don't use the opacity settings on them a lot. I also use a brush, a particular one called Edge, but this one is not available for free. I had to download it, but you can replace it with another pressure sensitive brush that has straight ends. For the details, I start with the shadow and increase the mix of color to get the closest to our reference. Hope you enjoyed this video and be inspired by this process, which was a challenge for me, and stay listening to a good music. And if you download the reference, it will be a pleasure to see how you draw it in your Procreate. Tag me on Instagram or use the hashtag TatiDigitalArt comment. enjoyed, and if you have a challenge and you want me to draw, comment here. I will make a video drawing, so see you on the next video.